What is going on, guys? Welcome back to SC Outdoors. Today we are doing some fishing, local stream. It's relatively local anyways. It's about 45 minutes out, up here in this nice mountain stream. Really slow stream, not a whole lot of current. There are a few rapids here and there, but mostly browns, mostly holdovers, some wild fish as well. Just gonna chuck the spinner around, see if we can catch something. We might be able to get a pickerel in here or there too. Let's see. Oh, he's chasing. He swiped it a couple times, but didn't get it. Try not to spook him. It's a tough hole to fish without spooking him. There's a bigger one and a smaller one in there that I could see anyways. You went right past him.
Dude, I thought I saw him move. Oh, I see him. Yeah, he's had it facing up.
What? No, I think they moved over to the left. That one, what's that?
How do you underhand cast
Like
like that?
that?
Yeah, I can never do that. You float line out and you
I just hold line out and then just kind of like flip it under, I guess. If it wasn't for that one little branch sticking out, so I think that's where they're at. This isn't sketchy at all. That's as good as it's gonna get.
Oh my God!
Oh shoot!
You see him?
Yeah, he's right there.
He's going back. Oh, he's going that left one now. Here's a decent one. Yep.
Yes.
I get it.
Oh God.
Do you need help? For you?
That was almost real bad. I got it.
Got it?
Yeah. He's good. I'm gonna actually bring him down over here so I can get my hands wet.
That's a really nice one, dude.
I can't believe that worked. I didn't think he'd go for it again. Oh man. This isn't even the one I saw originally though. The other one was bigger. I think he's probably stocked. I don't know. He actually looks pretty good though.
Looks real good.
He might be wild.
He's not really got a snub nose or anything, and he's got some patterns.
Yeah.
He's a little silver though.
All right, buddy.
Nice, dude.
Hell yeah. Ah, shoot. He missed it. He opened his mouth. I thought he had it. Come get it. Here he comes again. He's waiting too long. I think I blew my only shot for him. He chased it down in these rapids and I have no idea where he is. That first time though, I should just gave it another second. I thought he had it. He would have got it. Yeah. Well, it's a good sign there's a fish up here at least.
Yeah.
I think they'll probably just be a little bit more spread out this way.
It's okay with me.
Nada. All right, I'm probably ready. Sucks because it started so good. We probably saw, what, a dozen or two fish in the first 45 minutes?
Yeah.
And then nothing.
Nothing at all.
Well,
Hopefully my message will warn other fishermen and that way the population will.
yeah. I'm ready for food.
Yeah.
I'm kind of getting hungry.
You feeling?
Not necessarily.
Pizza, taco, barbecue, McDonald's.
Pizza's always good.